Hi guys, it's Molly, and this is my money tracker report for the week ending August 18th. So bills this week, we had credit card 6, which is $200, and credit card 7, $29. So total bills this week, $229. So at the end of our pay period, that sits in our checking account until we can turn around and pay those bills for this week. So next we have our variable expenses, which of course go on our primary Velocity Banking card. And our variable expenses are budgeted items that we got from looking at 3 months of bank statements and 3 months of credit card statements to see what our pattern of spending behavior happens to be. And so our budgeted amount for our variables is $382.25. As we're going through the week, we log in the items below, we log everything that we spend, and all of that goes onto that one primary card. So I have a card, my husband has a card. We know what our pattern of spending behavior is. We know what our budget is for the week. And so we put all of those items on the card. And then on Saturday, I make a payment on that card. So our budgeted items for our variables this week was $382.25. What we actually spent was $256.31. That gets logged into our variable expenses actual column. And then what I'm looking at for the week is I'm looking at, okay, well, we have $229 in bills. We have $382.25 in variable expenses. So the income that we need this week is $611.25. So again, our income is varied. That just tells me what is our goal for this week. What we actually made this week was $1,024. And so I subtract the $229 for those bills. That comes out of my checking account. And then $795 on Saturday, I pay on that credit card. So this credit card gets paid weekly. So that was a full $795. So I want to go back to the bills this week because it says credit card 6 and credit card 7. Credit card 7 is a Home Depot card. So it is a private label card and cannot be used in Velocity Banking. So there are no bills that I can match with my Home Depot card. But credit card 6 is one of those general purpose cards. So it is a Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover. It's one of those. So I can match my miscellaneous bills to that credit card payment. So what I've said in my other videos is instead of making credit card payments and miscellaneous bill payments, we're using our miscellaneous bills as our credit card payment. Okay. So for example, what I actually had going on this week was I had medical bills 1 and 2, which came to $52. I had medical bill 3, which came to $47. Medical bill 4, which came to $30. And life insurance is $71. So those individual bills came to $200. My credit card payment was actually $185. So I called up the credit card company, as I do, and I said, I want to make a payment. You know, of course, I'm saying I can do this online as well, but some people call and some people do it online. But let's say call up the credit card company, and instead of paying the $185, you're paying the $200. And you're giving at least 2 days for that to clear, that $200 payment to clear, before you turn around and put those miscellaneous bills on that card. So we're not paying the $185 because the $185 then is going towards our primary card. So if I had to pay the bills and the credit card, I would have lost out on that additional $185, and I would have only been able to put $610 on my primary card to bring that debt down. But because I match my miscellaneous bills to my credit card, I'm able to then turn around and put that additional funding onto that card, which has the highest interest rate and is costing me the most each day. So that's the card that I want all of my money to go to. So we're doing really, really, really good. So the balance on this card, mind you, it was like $8,500 and some change just 2 months ago. Was that 2 months ago? June? What month are we? August? June, July, August. Okay, so almost 3 months. It was at $8,500, which it had been sitting at for well over a year and only increasing. And my minimum payment at the time was like $300. And the balance this past week was $1481.04. So when I put that $795 on there, you guys, that brings me down to $686.04. So this is going to be paid off very, very soon.